Get ready for the latest version of the Volvo F8 with iSave, featuring an upgraded turbo compound engine and the all-new intelligent iTalk functionality. The Volvo F8 with iSave, a winning combination of several features which deliver maximum fuel efficiency and, together with the updated iShift gearbox, enhanced drivability. The powerful turbo compound engine remains at the heart of iSave, and thanks to several updates, is more efficient than ever. Various components, including the pistons, fuel injectors, the turbo and oil pump system, have been modified and refined to deliver further improvements to the engine's fuel efficiency. Combined, these changes make the new turbo compound engine even more fuel efficient. The Volvo F8 with iSave is also enhanced with the addition of iTalk, a unique software solution that ensures that the driveline engages the most optimal torque in any given situation. The system, which has been designed to work optimally together with the turbo compound engine, continuously processes data on the truck's weight and speed, as well as map data from the cloud-based software system iSee. Overall, the Volvo F8 with iSave will reduce fuel costs in long-haul operations and have a significant impact on any business's bottom line.